Today we are going to be using 2 packs of ramen noodles to make this amazing beef ramen noodle bowl with loads of flavor. To this pot of water I am adding just a few slices of fresh ginger. We will add 2 packs of ramen noodles and cook according to the package direction. To the griddle, I am adding just a bit of butter, unsalted butter, and I'm adding the seasoned beef. The beef was seasoned with garlic, ginger, and salt. So we're gonna turn this after 30 seconds to a minute because we want the beef to be still pink inside and succulent. Remove this from the griddle. And we're gonna finish off the noodles by adding the packaged beef stock. Leave this on the stove for about 1 more minute. And now we're gonna remove it. Add it to a bowl. And we're gonna place our beef on top. While I do this, please hit that subscription button. We're gonna add some green onions. And this is gonna add loads of flavor with the ginger. We're gonna add some julienne carrots for some crunch and some sweetness. We're gonna add 2 medium boiled eggs. And we're gonna add some homemade chili oil. And there you have it, a bowl of beef ramen noodles, restaurant style, in minutes. Thank you for joining. See you on another good day for another great recipe.